Hi everyone, welcome to Being a Best Teacher YouTube channel. In this class, we are going to discuss the question paper of Childhood and Growing Up of year 2024, right? And the solved version of this paper means all the question along with the answers. The PDF is given in the video's description box. You can download it from there, which is a paid PDF. And also, I want to tell you that uh, apart from it, 2024, apart from it, 2023, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, more previous year question papers are available with us. If you want to buy them, you can contact us on the given number in the video's description box. You can ideally contact us through our WhatsApp numbers, right? Okay, now let us discuss the question paper. Question number one is answer the following questions. Basically, there are four questions of 40 marks. So each question is of 10 marks, right? Like this. So from A part, you have two options. You have to select any one. Write the concept of growth and development. Explain the principles of growth and development. A very important question. If you will see previous year papers, it has been asked in all the years, right? So it is one of the most basic question which will definitely come in upcoming papers, upcoming years papers, right? Next is explain various roles of learner. Write role of teacher for holistic development of the learner. B part is write about physical and social development during later childhood and adolescence. Then describe the Kohlberg's characteristics of stages of moral development during later childhood and adolescence. Write the role of teacher according to your views. Yeah, according to his views. Okay. Who is his Kohlberg, right? C part is what is learning styles? Explain the types of learning styles in detail. Write the role of school for catering to different learning styles. Or what is inclusive education? Write the characteristics of learning disabled and gifted learners. Write the role of teacher for learning disabled learners. Gifted children is another important topic. It will definitely come in exam if you will see the previous year question. Okay. Now coming to the next D part, write the concept of personality. Explain the role of teacher. How do you develop personality of learner through various classroom activities and co-curricular programs. Next is what is attention? Write the factors affecting students' attention. Explain the role of teacher in developing the attention span of the students. Now coming to question number 2, you have to write short notes. Difference between growth and development, functions of brain, then emotional development during adolescence, Piaget's views of cognitive development, Guilford's views of intelligence, Guilford concept of individual difference, qualities of a leader and interest. Now coming to question number 3, this is a MCQ based question. Basically 5 questions are there. Each question is of 5 marks, 1 mark. Okay. First question is identify the function of right brain. Zone of proximal development are suggested by Vygotsky. Let me tell you the answers if I know. Next is eligibility test helps one can find out dash skill of the learner, aptitude. Question number 4, dash is meant the degree of disharmony between individual and the environment. Then psychosocial conflict development during adolescent stages. Which one you have to answer? Basically every answer, see जितने भी क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस करें इन सभी के आंसर्स का पीडीएफ गिवन है वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, विच इज अ पेड पीडीएफ. एवरी क्वेश्चन आंसर इंक्लूडिंग एमसीक्यूज यू विल गेट इन दैट पीडीएफ. So please just go and study with this PDF. This is very important for you, right? Now coming to question number 4. This is a case based question basically. Swara is 9th standard student. She is facing a problem of inattention in the class. Actually, 9th class is base for her matriculation, but she is not concentrating on her study and performance. A part is what are the reasons of inattention. B part is as a teacher of Swara, how do you help for her development of attention, right? So this is the question paper of year 2024 of childhood and growing up. So just do last 5 year papers and those are very enough for your upcoming exam. All the best to each and every student. Do your uh, like best in your exam, study well. If you are facing any of the problem, then you can join our mobile application for this particular subject. Lectures are there on the mobile application, so you can join and study through the classes, right? So for this video, thank you so much. Hope to see you in next video very soon.